Yeah, we came from the bottom, now we're rising up. Every day's a struggle, but we don't give up. Got dreams in our sights, never losing focus. They don't understand us, but we keep our locus. They ain't like us, nah, they ain't built the same. Through the fire and the rain, we overcame. Keep your head high, never bow down in shame. Cause we rise, we fight, we claim our name. City lights flashing, we're chasing the throne. Every step we take, we make it on our own. Hustle in our veins, ambition in our hearts. They can try to break us, but we're name. Every scar, every bruise tells a story of strength. We've been knocked down, but we go to any length to prove them wrong, show them what we're made of. United we stand in this brotherhood of love. They ain't like us, nah, they ain't built the same. Through the fire and the rain, we overcame. Keep your head high, never bow down in shame. Cause we rise, we fight, we claim our name. So when they look at us, they see the fire burn. Every lesson learned, every bridge we didn't burn. We're the future, the dreamers, the ones they can't define. Not like us, now we're one of a kind.